Hey traders, Mark here. Today is Tuesday, January 16th. Just want to do a quick update. Got a new trade on this morning. Have a trade here. I have an L24 level inside of a zone, and I also have this buy zone inside of the weekly zone. So I went ahead and put this on at 1.7306. Has a 30. I'm doing a 30 pip stop. So I'm doing 1.5 times the ATR with a maximum of 20. Even if my ATR is above 20, I still use 20. So it has a 100 pip target. Now this trade, the only thing it has against it is it's trading into the 10-period moving average on the weekly. Okay, so that trade is on, and then the other trade that I still have on, which I'm hoping to get off soon, because I feel like I've been in it for a while, is the euro pound. So it was close to target back here, and then it came all the way back to my entry because my entry is right here. Came almost all the way back down to my entry. My target is 89.16. So I'm still hoping to get a target on that one. So that's a trade from Friday. So that is it on the forex. Gang, before I shut down, this is Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin really tanked today. All the coins did. I actually think this is eventually going to go to zero. But, okay. Before I shut down, what I want to talk about real quick is today was a wild, wild day on the NASDAQ. And it had very fast swings, and they were strong swings. And my system missed a lot of trades. Well, I shouldn't say it missed, because they weren't setups. I had a handful of trades that were really close to triggering that just never triggered. But as with any system, you just have to be patient and just execute your plan. So I just want to run through the charts really fast. And again, I only take 2 trades here. One, when I have this color lining up with this color, then I want to trade the same color zone over here. And I only take the first one, and then I require a reset. The other trade is when I have a zone on one of these higher time frames, either one, and I get a fresh zone over here that lines up inside or at these zones. So you can see at the open this morning, I had both trend directions red, but I didn't have any red zones. So right now I'm green and red, and now green and white. So I have nothing to do unless I get inside of a higher time frame zone. Right here we hit the 5-minute zone. A nice move, but I didn't have a zone down there, so there's no trades. You can see what I mean, guys? This trade right here, it was so close. So you can't see it, but this zone low is 23.50. This zone is 23. That meets my criteria because it's 2 ticks away, but I needed this bar to hit 23. It was 1 tick away. But as it is, there was no trade, so it doesn't count. And I still have nothing to do. Now, let me just double check, because I think that actually is a zone inside of a zone there. Whoops, wrong button. $11.50. Oh, no, it's not. Never mind. That's 4 ticks away, so never mind. All right, let's continue. Okay, this is a zone inside the zone, but I never get an entry, so no trade. And then this breaks through. All right, now I'm red and red, so I can take a short if I get a red zone. Okay, now I'm back green and red. Okay, now I'm red and red right here. So my first trade was right here. 575, stopped out. This zone is still valid because I don't have a full body close above. So I'd have a trade here, stopped out. And a doji does not count as a full body close above. So I'd have another trade right here. And this one goes down and hits a target. So now that's 2 losses and 1 win. But you can see how patience just pays off, right? And on a day like today, when the market is just ripping, you already know what you're looking for. So it really takes the emotions out of trading. And guys, that's why I'm calling this just trade by the numbers, right? Remove the emotions and truly just trade by the numbers. That is honestly the only thing that has allowed me to remain consistently profitable in trading. So you can see right now I'm green and red, so I have nothing to do. This zone, again, right here, was so close to being inside of the 5-minute zone. But it wasn't, so no trade. Okay, this zone right here is inside the 15-minute zone. So I'd have an entry right here for a loss. So 3 losses and a win. Okay, now I'm red and red again. So I could take a short. Sets up right here. My entry is 76, 75, and stopped out. So now I've got 4 losses and a win. Okay, this is not inside the 15-minute zone. That 15-minute zone is taken out now, by the way. Okay, I'm red and red, so I'd have a trade right here. 72.50 goes against me 6 ticks, still in it. I need 82.50. I'm sorry, I need 62.50 right there. So there's a win. So now I've got 2 losses. I'm sorry, 2 wins and 4 losses. So now I need a reset, which will be a close above a red zone right here. I get it. And then I need a green zone, which happens right here. Now I can look for another short. But it doesn't. I don't get a red zone. Till right here. All right, so price goes down. I get a red zone. I'm in at 67.40. Now I want to talk about this trade just real quick. How many of you could have executed this trade, or even would have? Guys, if I didn't have a system, there's no way in hell I'm executing this trade. Why? Well, because look at the drop it already had without me. It dropped from here all the way down. But because I just take my trades, I'm in this thing at 67.40, and there's my target. So there's 3 wins and 4 losses. Okay, now let's continue. Let's see, where's my reset? Okay, so I do have a reset right here. Close above the red and the green. So this would be a trade. So I'd have an entry right here for a loss. Another entry right here for a loss. So I'd have 2 losses there. Okay, now I'm green and green. Okay, so no trade here. And that is it. So that leaves me on the day 6 losses and 3 wins. Guys, that's an awesome day. So let's go fill it in. I gotta insert a new row here. Week 12. 0.0115, even though yesterday was not a trading day. So I got 6 and 3. So guys, look at that. This is it's a 13% return day. So here it is, guys. After 421 trades, 23% win percentage, almost a 200% ROI. Not bad. I need to do the 12 range. I don't have Ninja open, or I would do it, but I'll show that. I'll show those stats later. Anyway, gang, that's what I'm gonna leave you with. Hope you all have a great rest of your night, and I'll talk to you later.